guys, welcome back. We're going to try something different today. We got an M2 here and I got my little screwdriver. We're going to unbox this, so let's check it out. Alright, these are pretty nice rubber tires from my understanding. So I love the case, I love the logo, the name on it right here. I mean, you could either leave it in the case or take it out, and I figure we're gonna take it out the case. You can put it back if you want. I think I'm going to be doing that, but for now I want to take a closer look at it, guys. So let's check it out. So you see the stand. What do you think about that so far? That's a nice one. So let's take a closer look. You got rubber tires. That is a beauty, man. Nice details on it. Got some numbers. Looks like it has the, oh, there it is, the year of the car. All the details, excuse me, under it. It is beautiful. I think I paid maybe $3 and change for these, maybe $4. Well worth it. So look at that. See the details on the tires. That's nice. 426 Hemi. All right, so that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any of these M2s in your collection. If you're watching this, of course, let me know. Should I put it back in the case or just leave it in the stand and screw it on and display it in my shelf? Would like to hear from you. Let me know. Take care.